Just washed it. She's looking good. Not a speck of dirt. Probably for like another 2 hours and then it'll get dirty again. You know, the usual. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Professor Mike here, back again with another video. A little while ago I did a video on the top 5 exhaust systems for the 5.0 F150 and y'all seem to love it, and I want to give some love to my 2.7 liter F150 guys out there. So what I'm going to do today is give a top 5 exhaust system video in order this time. So I'm going to start with number 5 and I'm going to work my way up to number 1. And these are the top 5 in my opinion. Like I said, take this as a grain of salt. This is, like I said, just my opinion. So let's go into number 5. All right, so number 5, what I'm going to start with is the MagnaFlow 3 Series catback exhaust system. On the loud level, I'd probably give it about a 2 or 3. It's not too loud. It sounds pretty good. Just go ahead and take a listen. Going into number 4, we're gonna go with the Corsa Sport catback system. This actually was on the same system for the 5.0, but now they have it for the 2.7 Ecoboost. So go ahead and take a listen. I'm gonna give it about a 4. It's not as loud as the Extremes, so it's about a 3 or 4. I know the Extremes are about a 5, so but it does sound pretty good. Number 3, this one might surprise you guys, but this one is going to be a resonator delete. So it's not really an exhaust system, but I've seen people do it and it sounds pretty good for the 2.7 liter or the 3.5. Here's a quick clip of what it actually sounds like. Number 2, we're going into the Roush catback system. You guys know Roush is very near and dear to my heart. I had it on the Mustang, and I'm thinking about getting it for the F150 5.0. This actually comes in at number 2. Number 1, I just feel like just takes the spot, but this is number 2, Roush catback. You can't go wrong with Roush. Take a listen. And number 1, the best sounding 2.7 liter exhaust system for the F150 is going to be the Borla Attack system. It's very, very loud, but it has a nice deep growl, especially for a 2.7 liter engine, and I think it just sounds great. Go ahead and take a listen. Alright, so there you guys go. That's the top 5 exhaust systems I found for the 2.7 liter EcoBoost for your 2011 to the 2021 F150. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and leave a like in the comment down below. I respond to all of my viewers. Like I said, I post new videos every single week, so make sure you hit that bell notification so you get notified every time I drop a video. And don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace. Alright, before I get started, I want to show you guys my YouTube analytics. As you can see, guys, we have been climbing and climbing and climbing, and we have been skirting up to the top. I'm getting about 1,600 views every 48 hours and like every day now. So if I go to the last 7 days, I'm getting about 800 views every single day, which is awesome. As you can see, I really started to really climb over here, and it's just getting more and more and more and more and more.